Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing pigments and the binder now. Don't delay. Dry your chosen material, then crush and grind it on a ceramic plate with a glass muller until it becomes a smooth powder. This improves color and prevents gritty paint. Once done, weigh or measure your pigment and combine with binder. Try 1 TSB binder per 1 tablespoon pigment to begin. Make sure to work in thin layers. The physical action of grinding unlocks pigment particles, so they will suspend evenly. You'll now transform the paste into usable paint by slowly dispersing binder into the pigment and mulling thoroughly. This forces binder between particles, so the paint binds and spreads. Once the mixture is homogeneous, thin dropwise with solvent, water for tempera, or a few drops of oil for oil paints, until you reach a toothpaste-like viscosity. Make sure to test on a scrap surface to observe opacity and drying behavior. This step tells you whether to add more pigment, binder, or solvent. You complete the process by straining the paint to remove grit, then decanting into airtight jars and labeling them with the recipe and date so you can recreate results. For tempera, let the surface film form briefly before sealing. For oils, add a few glass beads to prevent skinning or cover closely. If you see separation or poor adhesion, remix vigorously and add 1 to 2 drops of binder or solvent to re-emulsify. This small tweak usually resolves poor cohesion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.